The octet rule states that all atoms want to be like a noble gas, and generally they want to have 8 electrons in the highest level to achieve that noble gas configuration. But of course, like every rule in chemistry, there is an exception to the octet rule. Not to mention, of course, we already know that helium only wants 2 electrons. And elements that want to be like helium only want 2 electrons because they can only have 2 electrons in their highest level. But 2 other atoms that don't obey the octet rule or are exceptions to the octet rule are sulfur and phosphorus. And there's a few others, but sulfur and phosphorus are 2 that you'll at least come into contact with in this book. With the sulfur, he actually has, or can have, 12 electrons around him. Remember, each dash is a covalent bond. And so he bonds with 6 fluorines to make a molecule we call sulfur hexafluoride. Now, this doesn't work with most atoms, but again, sulfur is the exception, or one of the exceptions. And then phosphorus sometimes will make 5 covalent bonds. Each covalent bond, of course, is 2 electrons, so if I have 5 bonds with 2 electrons each, I have a total of 10 electrons. So these are 2 exceptions to the octet rule.